Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a very tasty, super easy sandwich in a very less time, and that sandwich is corn and cheese sandwich. So yeah, it's like the very easiest sandwich you can ever make, and it only requires like a few ingredients and few items, and you will always have that in your house, in your kitchen or in your fridge. So yeah, now without wasting further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I'll quickly show you what all things I have. So I have corn, then I have this chili and garlic paste. So this is like homemade, we just made it at home. You guys can use any pizza or pasta sauce, or you guys can use any of the other chutney if you want. And this is cheese. This is the goat cheese. Again, then I have butter, because we need to apply butter to the bread for the paste to settle on the bread. And then finally we have a brown bread. So this is the high fiber brown bread. Then we have our bread toaster. We're gonna put our bread in this and then toast it, and then later on we are gonna also use this fry pan. So I'm gonna show you both ways. If you don't have a toaster, how can you make it in a non-stick fry pan? And I'm first gonna show you with the toaster. So now let's get started. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm gonna take 4 slices of bread, so which is 1 on 1. Okay, 2 slices of bread, like one sandwich and the other one, so it makes 2 sandwiches. So I'm gonna start applying butter on each bread slice. So I'm gonna use Amul butter for this. So I'm gonna apply butter on each slice. I'm not gonna apply on the outside of the, on the other side of the bread, because it's gonna make it very greasy and oily, so I don't like that. I like the crust to be like very crunchy, like the top of the bread to be very crunchy. So yeah, I'm gonna apply the butter quickly, and then I'm going to put it in the toaster and then do the rest of the thing what I'm gonna do. So once I'm done applying the bread to all the 4 slices, I'm just gonna take this chili and garlic chutney, and I'm just going to apply like a very tiny amount, because it's very spicy. Even I am starting to sneeze even by smelling this. Okay, so I'll make sure that I'm just gonna apply very tiny amount. So I'm just gonna apply on 2 slices. I'm like, this is the first one and this is going to be the second one. I'm not going to apply on all the 4 slices. It's just going to be 2 slices. I just thought of putting thoda sa spice in it so it tastes good. Oops, I'm not going to apply that. Okay, thoda sa for the taste. Okay, so this is the toaster, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the slices of bread on which I just applied butter. Then I'm going to take this corn and I'm just going to put it on the bread like this. The goal is to cover the bread with the corn. And guys, trust me, this is the first time ever I am trying to make something on my own without help. So now I'm just gonna put the corn on the bread, and then later on I'm going to put cheese slice on it. So since it's very easy for me to like first put it on the toaster and then do the rest of the thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna put cheese. So for cheese I'm gonna use goat cheese slices, and I'm going to put that on the corn, rhyming. This is the easiest sandwich you can ever make, like ever. Like it's very easy. Just take bread, butter, corn, cheese and sauce, like ketchup if you need. And it's the easiest sandwich to ever make. So now as you can see, I have put cheese slices on top of the corn, and now I'm going to put the green chutney wala bread, which is the spicy one, and I'm going to put it over that, and then I'm going to toast it. So it is done, sandwich ready, and now it's time to toast. So I'm closing it. It is a little harder, you have to put pressure on the toaster to close it. So now it's on, and once the green light turns off, which means that it's done. So yeah, let's wait. So green light turns off. It hardly takes like 4 to 5 minutes to toast it, and then you can see how the sandwich looks. The cheese has like melted, the corn is perfect, the sandwich itself looks very perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in a fry pan, a non-stick fry pan. So on slow flame, so put your fry pan on a slow flame and put 2 slices of bread. Just heat it up, make like let it be like a golden brown, a little crispy on the outer side, so that it's easy for you to apply the butter and everything. So the same process goes on again, putting corn, putting the green chutney, butter, cheese, everything is the same. So it is very easy peasy. And yeah, you're done, and just put it on the non-stick fry pan. Again, put it on medium or slow flame. And just cover it with a lid. And this takes around again 3 to 4 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Now just twist and keep it. Now you can see the top of the bread has become very goldenish brown. It is crunchy, and just do the same on the other side. Again, cover it with the lid. Again, keep it for 5 minutes, and then it's done. So already you can see that the cheese is like melting. It tastes amazing. Now I've removed the sandwich from that, and I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. Just be very careful while cutting it. Oh, you can see the cheese and the corn, it's perfectly made. So yeah, done. Now put it on a plate. Put some Lay's chips, it's like a evening thing, evening breakfast, evening supper. So just put some chips, or you can also have your coffee along with it. You can have anything, milkshake, cold coffee, anything. This is just for the decoration purpose. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. Please don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Please don't forget to add me there as well, and also let me know what are your views and your comments about this recipe, and please, I would love to read all your suggestions. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.